Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to consolidate multiple columns into one column. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I consolidate multiple columns into one column. Firstly, select these multiple columns and go to home menu and click merge and center drop down menu and choose merge and center. Now you can see I consolidate multiple columns into one columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.